In this video, I am sure you are already familiar with this company. Over the past year, it has given outstanding returns almost 200%. In just 6 months, the returns reached 90%, almost 100%, and in a single month, it provided consistent return of 20% despite market volatility. Such impressive performance has made this company a popular choice for investors. Now, I am sure many questions might have crossed your mind, such as what does this company do? Should you invest in it or not? Is the company overvalued or undervalued? What is the P ratio of the company? Don't worry, we will discuss everything in details in this video to help you to make an informed decision. Stay tuned till the end. We will see the success history of Manorama Industry. Manorama Industries' story begins in the 1940s when Jankilal Agarwal started experimenting with oils and butter made from seeds at his home. Over time, he expanded by employing women to produce oil, which he sold in the nearby markets. In 1995, an opportunity came when a piston expeller was available in Malkapur. This led to the establishment of Agarwal's first factory. His innovative spirit took him to London, where he completed a PhD in fat chemistry. This expertise helped him discover unique uses for oils from mango kernels, sal seeds, and banana apples. One of his breakthrough moments was meeting Michael Ferraro at a trade fair, which led to a partnership to supply specialty fats for chocolate like Ferrero Rocher. The company was later established in 2005 by Ashish Saraf and his family and named the company named after Saraf's grandmother Manorama Devi. Manorama Industry is now a global player in specialty fats and butter. It sources raw materials like sal seeds and mango kernels from 8.5 million forests, Orissa and other Indian forest dwellers across Chhattisgarh, Orissa and other Indian states such as or as well as from Africa through its operations in Ghana. The company produces cocoa butter, equivalent CBE and other fast uses food and cosmetics, supplying clients like Ferrero, L'Oreal, Mondelez and the Body Shop across 84 countries. Their financial growth has been impressive. Revenue jumped from 102 crore to cross in 2019 to 188 crore in 2020. Profit growth in by 21%. Listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange in 2018, the company's share price has risen 266% since its IPO. Looking ahead, Manorama Industry is focused on tapping into the Asia Pacific market, which is expected to grow 36.8 billion by 2026. To stay competitive, they have heavily invested in R&D experts like Chris Vaughan, 30 who holds over 30 international patents. The company is also expanding into new sectors like healthcare, personal care, while maintaining sustainable practices, raw materials like sal seeds, chia seeds, nuts, and seasonally sources and stores for continuous productions. According to the management, the global demand for natural, sustainable, especially fat, for exceeds supply with their expertise and focus. Manorama Industries aim to bridge their gap and grow even further. Now we will discuss quarterly result. Quarterly result profit operating profit in 2021 was 9 crore but in 2024 45 crore. Before paying tax it was 35 crore but after paying tax that means net profits surged 27 crores. Obviously it is good for this company. Profit and loss. the net profit has increased in compared to 2013, 2014, 15, and it has continuously growing. It is continuously growing its its profit, making its profit. Balance sheet also has increased, and as well as the net asset also 7788 crore. Cash flow in 2024 -1, but in 2023 was -47 crore 47. Obviously it is a good sign that it has decreased it has reduced its cash flow debt -47 to -1%. Promoters holdings was remained same through the last 3 years. FISO holdings had decreased to 26 to 2053 and 237, and public DIS holding decrease, public holding or increase. Now let me help you understand whether this company is overvalued or undervalued. Looking at the data, the P ratio is currently around 120, which is an all-time high. In comparison, the median P ratio is 60.7 and the industry average is much lower. This means the company's P ratio is nearly double that's its industry, clearly indicating that the company is overvalued. If you want to calculate the P ratio yourself, it is simple. Just divide the current share price. Just divide the current share price by EPS, earning per share. This will give you the P ratio of the company, right? The Manorama Industries is the leadership status. The Manorama Industry is the first or number one Indian exporter of sal mango based specialty fats and butter leadership status, and also number one in sal fat manufacture in the world. Robust supply chain. This company is leading manufacturer in the world manufacturing CBE and exotic specialty fats and butter from different seeds, namely sal, mango, chia, kokum, maura, etc. Robust supply chains. Sources. This company sources raw materials come from nature. Therefore, it has almost no risks of no availability of raw materials. A strong networks of 8 million plus tribals and 18,000 seeds collecting centers in India. Proximity of Raipur plant of Visakhapatnam port facilities, smooth procurement of chia seeds sourced from the Africa sources, research development. Monorama's Milkwa Research and Development Center accredited the Government of India's Department and Scientific and Industrial Research certificate. In-house research and development unit at Birkoni plant works on new products applications. This is the strong supply chains network of Manorama Industries. In India, sal seed collected process, the processing of sal seed collection, scatter seeds in forest bed. The seeds are scattering from forest bed and then seed collected by tribal women. Then they cleaning all the seeds, disselling, cleaning, next seed collecting at purchase center. And Africa nuts picked by tribals and boiling and cleaning of nuts, disselling, Monorama Africa buying at buses and Monorama Africa shipping to India, Monorama shipping from Africa shipping to India, chia seeds at Raipur warehouse. Okay, and this is the Fortune 500 clients you can see here in this image, or the 500 the clients of this company. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more insightful stock market analysis. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with all your latest content.